So one of the programs, or one of our value-driven operations that falls under common sense, is what we call the 2x2 program. The 2x2 program is essentially, we're going to give back 2% of the monthly invoice to our associates and to the customer. We give 1% to our associates through a profit sharing program. So if we're invoicing a customer $10,000 a month, we're going to take 2%, which is $200. $100 of that is going to go to our associates in a profit sharing program. We'll take that money, we'll pool it. The associates are going to see that money grow, and the longer they're at that building, the more money they have available to them. So at the end of the year, they could have thousands of dollars that are available to the associates in a profit sharing program. Talking about like keeping people around for a long time, that's just so much common sense to us. And we take that other 1% of that 2x2 program, and we find a shared charity on behalf of the customer that we're serving. We find a shared charity that benefits the customer, and we donate that other 1% each year to that charity. And so 1% to our associates, 1% to our customers' charity of choice. And to us, it just makes common sense because we're giving back to the community that we serve. We're a local company, and we try to find customers that appreciate that localness and give back to local charities.